Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gabriel, and if you're new here, well, I really don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what's going to transpire on this week's video, but I guess we're about to find out. What I had planned for today, I seen that on Instagram, the Blowout Bar was giving out free training blowouts. So I scheduled an appointment and got one done. It's pretty good. The feedback I gave, I left no crumbs. But she did a pretty good job. And then also I went over to the Home Depot because I'm having Cody come over and install a garage door opener. So I'm finally getting a garage door opener that has the MyQ app to it, because I don't know how many times, and I'm sure maybe some people can relate to this, how many times I have left my house, drove around the block, came to come back to see if I close the garage door or not, because I just have one of those old school clickers, like you gotta know it when you leave your house if you close the garage door or not. So I'm so excited to finally have a smart garage door opener. So all I have to do is check the app and make sure that I close the garage when I left my house. So that's getting installed tomorrow. I started out my day like most days. I went for a morning walk. I have been doing this pretty consistently now for I think over a month and a half. With the combination of going on my morning walk and taking Trulicity once a week, I am starting to see results. So I'm getting real excited about that. So I just go to this neighborhood park that's a few blocks away from where I live. It's maybe like a 9-minute drive. When I get there, I just walk the trail. It's a really beautiful park. It's full of soccer fields. So a lot of kids are out there playing early in the morning on their teams. And because it is like a soccer field type park, it is very well manicured and it's very beautiful. And I love going there most mornings. I try to make it there most mornings. Not too long after I got back home, Cody and his father-in-law stopped by around I think 11:30. They worked out in the garage. They were putting up my garage door opener for me, which is awesome. Like I said before, it's with the MyQ app on it. It was a little bit of a challenge for him. Not the actual installation, the physical part of installing the garage door opener wasn't too bad. He had some problems with the sensors, so he switched the sensors from one side to the other. But then when we actually was trying to connect the MyQ to my phone and to the Wi-Fi and all of that, that's kind of where we got stumped a little bit. But after too long though, we definitely got it together, and I just love having this now as my garage door opener. It is the best thing ever. It's worth the purchase. If you're thinking about doing this, do it. Get it done, have someone install it. I got mine at Home Depot, and they do offer installation service, so you would be able to find someone. I think it was $125 or whatever. So if you know someone like how I know Cody, definitely try to get them to install that for you, hopefully for a lot less than $125. And for real, it did take him a couple hours to get that all done, and he was not expecting to be at my house that long that day. Afterwards, he said he was kind of really relieved that now all he had to do was install my shower head. And thankfully, that only took him less than 10 minutes, honestly. And now, what I tell you, that shower pressure is amazing, bro. I get in there and I get knocked back to the back of the shower now, and I just I love it. It's great. I feel like I'm getting really rinsed off when I'm in there now. So loving the new garage door opener and my shower head. For dinner, I did something a little different this time. I usually like to go places and just kind of grab a salad or whatever, and I've been wanting to go to Outback for a while now. So I just ordered some takeout from there, and I got a steak salad, and it was the first time I ever got a steak salad from Outback. Honestly, you guys, I don't recommend it. I don't know if it was salad dressing choice. I got light balsamic and vinaigrette, but it was a steak salad with blue cheese and apple and pecans and all of that, and it just didn't hit. It just didn't hit right at all. So, but lesson learned, I'll probably never order that one again, but that's what I had for dinner on Wednesday night. The following day, I ventured back to the other side of town. If you remember from before, from a previous video, I had an eye doctor appointment where I was looking to get contacts and new glasses. So my new glasses were in, so I stopped by there real quick and got my glasses, and they put them on and adjusted them for me and everything, and I just love them. They're perfect. After I left America's Best, I went down the street to this nail salon. I've been wanting for a while now to get a pedicure. I'm usually pretty regular on that kind of maintenance for myself. The place I normally go to, it's usually just walk-ins and they're always packed. And that morning they said like they had an hour wait. So I was like, well, I'm gonna go try this one place that I used to go to years before. And lo and behold, thankfully, they were taking walk-ins. And not only that, their prices are like 2018 prices. Like, dude, a guy pedicure, it said like just a guy pedicure was $35. I was like, that's crazy. But I ended up getting like the Ocean Breeze pedicure. And as I was sitting there talking with the nail tech, I asked her about like getting maybe like a gel manicure because I've had an appointment for a later date, I think later the next week somewhere, where I was gonna get a gel manicure and get some like guy nail art done because I'd never had that before. So I just like took a chance and asked her, I said, do you do work like this? And I showed her my inspo picture and she's like, no, I don't. But actually the girl that's over there that checked you in, she does. And I know that for a fact that she has an opening. As soon as we're done, she'll be able to get you right in. So I was so excited. And I never, like I said, like I never had that done before. And you know what really, really, really surprised me at the end? It really made me really happy. I didn't know getting my nails done like that would make me so happy. And I don't know if you can see there, but look. But, you know, of course, I'm going to put the pictures in there as well. Getting my nails done that day actually turned out to be like a really good idea because I was going to a benefit show that night and I was wanting to look my best, of course. The benefit show was put on by the production called Vaud Villities, and Vaud Villities is the longest running show in America in its kind, a variety show in its kind, I think now for like 80 plus years. And I was involved in Vaud Villities way back in the day as a dancer for 5 years. Then I took a break for a very long time because, you know, I started my career and doing hair, just like really being focused on that. Maybe 10 years or so later after that, I went back and auditioned, and then I met new friends and got contact with old friends again. Part of this new friend group from this production, Vaud Villities, is my friend Maggie. Maggie, I do her hair. When we were in the show one season, she and I did the wedding singer. She was the bride and I was the groom, and so we always joke about how we got married like 8 times that week or whatever. She is on the board with Vaud Villities. She also choreographs and occasionally she'll perform with the productions. Last Christmas, she actually was like the artistic director of the show, and she donated her earnings back into the show. So she's just a really awesome person. So when I knew that she was behind this benefit show, I was like, you know what? I'll pay for my ticket. I want to go see this. And it ended up being like a really good night. And the proceeds benefited the Buckeye Ranch. I'll have the link in the description if you want to check that out, because you know what? Honestly, I wasn't really paying attention when they were talking about the Buckeye Ranch. I think what they do is help teenagers transition into adulthood that might not have that opportunity normally like everyone else. So definitely, if you're thinking about donating to that cause, I'll have that link in the description for you to check out. And the show ended up being awesome. It was amazing. A lot of talent that I haven't seen before in the show, so that was really cool that they were recruiting new members, hopefully. And the show was about maybe over an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And it was just really nice to be there. They had refreshments and cookies and an open bar, but I didn't drink. It was a really good time. I'm really glad that I went to that. And then on Friday, I remembered that I bought this color pigment remover packet from the professional store. My hair, I have not colored my hair, if you've noticed, probably not, but I haven't colored my hair since like March of 2024. We're now in July 2024. I kind of want to get like all that color out that's been just kind of like sitting there. Even though it is like semi-permanent color, it's still just kind of like coated on the cuticle. So I never used this color pigment remover before, and I love the results. Not only that, because it says it lifts like 1 to 3 levels. If you understand that, drop a like. I was like, oh great, this will bring me up to like my natural color then. And it really, really, really did. Like, there's still just a smidge of like a red tint to my hair from the red that I had in it before. So I think I'm gonna do it one more time. Yeah, I had amazing results, super gentle on my hair, 10/10, recommend. But Friday ended up just being like a really low-key day. The night before, I took some salmon out of my freezer and put it in my refrigerator, so they were nice and defrosted and ready to go. I mean, honestly, I'm kind of a good cook. Love to bake, and I obviously can cook on the stovetop. But so mainly like I'll bake the main entree and then I'll cook everything else on top. So with the salmon, I just made some like rice and then warmed up some corn in a pot with butter, and dinner was really delicious. It was just, so good. I mean, I'm single, y'all. I cook, I clean, I have a house, and I love to do laundry. You better hit that link in my description for my Instagram and slide in my DMs, okay? I don't need to work. And in this video, I just want to reiterate what I'm doing. I am basically practicing right now on my format, what I'm doing, how I'm storytelling. I know I said in videos before, links are in the description, the links didn't work. I'm still trying to figure it out. So I just really appreciate everyone that watches. I love getting all the views, even if it's just 2 views or 20 views per video. It makes me real excited that I am possibly putting out some really good content. And I'm really eager to continue to be figuring all of this out. My content, how I'm storytelling, all of it. But I do know is that a lot of wonderful things are in the works. I'm real excited for the manifestations that are occurring and that will be in future videos. If I talked about it in one video, it's basically happened in the next video, and the unfolding of it all is just very, very encouraging. And I know that I'm doing something here. If you like what's going on and you want to come along on this journey with me and witness the unfolding of all of these manifestations in my life as it comes into fruition, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.